Terminator Tech here. I'm going to be doing a quick look and unboxing of the HTC 10. This one is for T-Mobile, and I got this in the Nimbus Cloud. So without further ado, let's break into here and see what we got. You got 32 gigs of storage on here. You got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 820 12 megapixel camera, Wi-Fi A, B, G, N, and AC, 4G LTE. You got a fingerprint scanner, 5.2 inch screen, 5 megapixel front facing camera, HTC boom sound, high resolution audio, 4 gigs of RAM. I know that you guys want to see what's in the box, so let's crack this open. Here we have it, the HTC 10. Inside. Got that dual flash, 12 megapixel camera, your SD card slot, volume up and down, power. Get that 5 megapixel camera, your 2 speakers, SIM card tray, USB Type C, microphone, audio, headphone jack. Okay, let's see what else we got in the box. Okay, USB Type C. Got a charging brick. USB Type C. Got a little SIM card opener. Your AMI. Welcome start guide. Warranty. And a SIM card. Nice. Okay. Safety regulations and just a bunch of literature. Nothing too interesting. Okay, let's get to the phone part. Power this on for the first time. Wow, that's bright. Wow. Powered by Android. We also have that they got rid of the button over here, so it's just like a you just tap it and it just vibrates. It's not a real button, kind of like the new iPhone 7 is doing. I've heard some really good things about this phone. Really like the aluminum construction we got going on over here. Optimizing applications. I'm gonna skip to the end of this. Yeah, I forgot it fully booted into the operating system. Everything looks really sharp. Very good. This one, very impressed by this. The camera looks great, and I really like this. Check this out. Like, if I focus on the box, it gets a little blurry over here. If I focus on the table, it focuses more on where you're shooting. So I really like that. That's really neat. The button does this little vibration when you press it. You got your buttons right here. They light up. Back, apps, clear. Let's see what else we got in here in terms of settings. Got HTC Connect. You know, I'm not sure if they're doing it with these HTCs, but HTC has this program where it's called HTC Oops, and if you break the screen or something happens to your phone, you just you just call them and they give you another phone for free. Or if you don't break it in the year, they give you like, I think it was like $200 off or something like that, off their new version of the phone. But stay tuned for a full review of this phone and the HTC 10, and I am going to be doing a link in the video description for the full review. Thank you for watching. This is Terminator Tech. Please subscribe, comment, like, dislike if you dislike the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.